What's this? What's this? There's glitter everywhere. What's this? What's this? There's Christmas makeup in the air. Picture this. You have a glitter crown, eye makeup, decor, but you are missing the glitter lips. Let's correct this as soon as possible. First of all, apply a lip primer. That's not a mandatory step, but I do recommend doing it because the lipstick will go on smoother. And then use a green lipstick. This is Curse Cosmetics Extraterrestrial. You can use my affiliate code THEMIRROR to buy it cheaper. And this is just such a perfect Christmas green. And see how it glides on smoothly. Let's outline the upper lip with it. And for the lower lip, we're going to go with Color Drain Vampire, which was sadly discontinued because the brand Color Drain closed down. And I'm going to make a video about this because that's quite an interesting story along with a couple of other brands. After you have outlined the contours, make them thicker because we're going to put glitter in there. So we need a matte outline and glitter in the middle. But by the way, if you're finding the lip tutorial intriguing so far, let me know by pushing the like button. Thank you so much! And after you're fully done with the thick contour, reach out for the glitter eyeliners. These are Gimme Glitter by Rude Cosmetics, and I cannot be happy enough with them. I even did a whole review on Rude Cosmetics. You can watch it, and these liners have some hollow particles, some green particles for the green eyeliner, and red for the red glitter liner. I also have a code THEMIRRORBEAUTY with these, by the way, so you can also have a discount on them, and it's also affiliated. This is glitter, but it's actually pretty fine. You're not really feeling those gritty particles, seeing that the only part where you put it is just on the contour, not in the middle of the lips, and it's already getting so festive. See how it matches the decorations? Apply this silver lipstick. This one is by Sephora Collection. It's gonna get more interesting than that. If you want more holiday inspiration, not just holiday but themed inspiration throughout the year, I currently have a lip art calendar for 2025 available. You can order it by simply emailing me. The email is on my channel page, and here's a little preview of what you're getting. Take a glitter primer. This one is by NYX. I don't have a code for it, but I really like it. It has a slight pearlescent finish, which only helps our cause. And spread it all across the lips except the red and green contour, so all across the silver part. Let it set for about 60 seconds. Do it with a flat brush, that way it's more convenient, and then apply hollow flakes. And oh my god, just wait to see how dazzling they are. And this is not hollow glitter, despite what it can say on the packaging. These are flakes, and the difference is, oh my god, I can't get over how sparkly they are. Oh, look, here they are out of focus and back in. I cannot. So the difference is that flakes are much more finer texture. They do not feel gritty at all. You can eat in them, you can smile in them, you can talk. You won't feel them in the slightest. These are like tiny, tiny foils, not the gritty glitter that you can get on your lips. Let me know if you like this in or out of focus better. I'm doing my best to show off how dazzling it is in real life because it's really blinding. You will be the star of any Christmas party. Now your Christmas makeup is all set. You're matching the eyes, the crown, and the decorations. You might even do a little happy dance at home. Even if you're not going to the party, but if you're going to several parties and need more holiday makeup ideas, just take a look at this tutorial. See you there!